Good morning, everyone. This is the display to show what do I have to do and what do I prepare. This is the kitchen. Every morning I will come here and start to do my supplement or my breakfast. Here you can see the garlic soaked in coconut oil, which I normally have it as fat, but I have to warm it up with a slightly low heat so it doesn't take away all the enzyme from the garlic, fresh garlic that I cut. And here is the fresh garlic that I cutting to small pieces, and I soak it into the coconut oil about 2 minutes or so. And this is another ingredient that very crucial. It looks like this. In my language it's called gachai. It's a root in a family, look like ginger or something. And we cut it all together to prepare the next mixer, which is I'm gonna take this as the second mixing after I do the garlic soak in the coconut oil and a supplement that I trying to use and to test if it's good product or not. Normally I will use the cacao, in German it's called cacao, cocoa, powdered cocoa, to add in here. Okay, this is something that you would prepare. The water I will put into this mixer for about 1 minute before I start to add in coconut oil and garlic. I will make it about half bottle for 2 persons to can take this. Okay, here I will have it's very hard to do it the video alone. I have to open the powder of Light Plus. Look, I will use it like 1 scoop or so, maybe a little bit more if you want more, but this should be enough. And then I will mix it, and meanwhile I'm doing this, I will make the water, preparing the water 1 minute or so into this machine, and I will have to have one hand. I need somebody to help here to hold and take this picture, this video film. Okay, here we go. 1 minute. Sorry about the sound. And meanwhile, I will mix this together. So, like this. Okay, it doesn't need to be exactly 1 minute, okay? Just to have it shake, so the power, the capacity of the water. So this is my second or third load. So if you think about this will be healthy for you, then you can eat a lot. But if you think it tastes terrible, or your tongue never learn how to adapt to this taste, I understand that, but you have to push for some week or two, then your tongue will accept this taste. And then you will feel the result that you gain healthy. Then you will be able to eat it a lot and gain your physical improvement. It is the product that I just get and I taste it. It tastes good. Anyway, try it yourself. If you can do this every day, you will be so healthy. Bye.